Chapter 12, Meta Ads. Google Ads was the hunting ground where customers actively searched. Meta, that is, Facebook and Instagram, on the other hand, are living spaces where our customers socialize, spend time, and discover new things. Our job is to appear before them in this living space with the right message, grab their attention, and invite them to our website. Our progression scheme in Meta Ads will be as follows. On this platform, there are different types of campaigns that serve every purpose. At the beginning, we should test all of them with small budgets to understand which one is the most efficient for us. This is the smartest method for us. To gain followers, we will run profile visit ads. We will show our brand to more people and gain followers. At the same time, this ad type can also help us receive potential messages. We will use engagement ads to receive direct messages. This ad type does not contribute to the visibility of our content, but it still improves your messaging performance. We can use sales ads for direct sales. This ad type is indispensable for e-commerce sites. It is directly focused on conversion and sales. And finally, lead ads to collect forms. If you are in the service sector, this ad type is actually the most suitable one for you. It allows us to collect our customers' contact information in the form of a form. So what will our game plan be on Meta Ads? Our game plan will be to design a customer journey. I'm giving you the most logical progression scheme for a brand starting from scratch. In step 1, we will get on the radar. In other words, we will create a traffic campaign. Our first task is to show that we exist. That is, to make sure the industry knows about us. We will launch traffic ads and support our best content this way, increasing the number of views. Our goal here is to attract interested people to our profile and gain followers. At the same time, to increase the visibility of our content. In this way, we will engrave our brand in people's minds. In the second step, we will measure intent. That is, we will create an engagement campaign. People have now started to get to know us. Now we will see who is truly interested. With the engagement campaign, we will start messaging and test how warm the potential is. In the third step, we need to filter out the serious buyers. In other words, we are at the final stage. We will launch a lead generation ad. With this type of ad, we will target the audience who say, I am truly interested in this service, those closest to making a purchase, and collect their contact information. Our basic campaign architecture will also be simple and clear for every campaign we run. We will have one campaign, one ad set, and 3 different ads. These will be image ads, video ads, and image ads with voiceovers. The most critical rule here is to first train the algorithm and then trust the algorithm. The biggest mistake made in Meta Ads is trusting Advantage Plus right from the start. This is like giving a brand new sports car to someone who doesn't know how to drive. The result will be an accident. Our rule is clear. We will not use Advantage Plus for about 4 to 5 months. Why? Because the algorithm doesn't know us, it doesn't know our customers, it doesn't yet know which campaign structure works for what purpose. First, we will provide the data manually. We will train the algorithm by creating detailed target audiences. Once the data pool is filled, the algorithm will start working efficiently. Another point we need to pay attention to is the target audiences. Before launching the ads, we must definitely identify the audiences we want to target and those we want to avoid here. These target audience lists will be our most valuable assets. I want to talk about the target audiences that we absolutely need to create. First, we need to have a detailed main target audience. We need to have a target audience that we select and shape based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Then there will be warm audiences. In other words, our remarketing audiences, our website visitors from the last 30 days, our website visitors from the last 15 days. Then we will create audiences for engagement. Those who engaged in the last 30 days, those who engaged in the last 12 days, those who engaged in the last 5 days. And finally, we will create a lookalike audience. Here's what I recommend. If you target 1% of those who engaged in the last 30 days, you'll get excellent performance. But we won't use this audience right away. We'll use it after collecting some data. We definitely need to make a note of this. At the same time, these lists are not only critical for targeting, but also for exclusions. For example, to avoid showing our ads to the same people all the time and annoying them, we can exclude those who visited the site in the last 12 days. Or we can offer a special discount campaign to visitors from the last 5 days. I want to share an important note. A target audience list must reach at least 1,000 people to be usable. The higher your budget, the faster these lists will fill up. Be patient. We are creating our Facebook page right now. From where? Because we will manage Meta Ads from here. That's why we're creating a Facebook page for our business by filling it out completely. They will ask us for the website